Alrighty guys, so I'm in a bit of a rush. There's perfect cloud coverage layer, but I'm just getting off work. So here's the thing. I had this idea and I think it should work pretty well. I was kind of brainstorming the other day when I was flying. Basically, I want like a jet or a rocket. I need like a rocket ship that can get me up elevation. And so I'm gonna hook myself to a rocket and see what happens. I feel like it should work out fine. Here we go, guys.
Cannot wait to rub this in Martin's face. Ah, he's gonna be so pissed. He's gonna be so angry. Holy frick. Okay. That's just a freaking hoot, guys. Yes. Beautiful! Is that a single cow? Nope, it's horse. I was afraid that was a cow, a lone cow. I was gonna feel bad. Why did it do that? Oh no. Weird. There's worse places to go down. Landed it like a boss. fucking spark plug boot came off. I guess spark plug boot came off. Still recording? Yes. Fantastic. Well, so spark plug boot came off. Landed this here field. It's a little bit of an odd thing. However, all's well that ends well. Magical flight, all in all. I guess I'll take this bad system over to the parents' house, which is right there, luckily for me. And yeah, we're gonna get that going. So, no, my pretty little wing. I'd say all in all that was pretty successful. I freaking landed it like a beast. Freaking spark plug thing just popped right off. So I guess that has to be addressed. Man, I don't want thistle seeds all up in my wing and shit. Where's the helpful neighbors when you need a helpful hand from the neighbors?
So, cock, sucker, what a fucking mess. Freaking thistles, holy crap. Jeez, oh Pete. Fucking thistles. You assholes. Oh my gosh. Alright.
Well, I'm gonna truck this bad bitch out of here. It's been good. Hope you guys had a fun time. Check out that nose piece.
Alrighty guys, so we got her loaded back up on the back of the van. About to take her back over to Bart's house, then we're gonna take off on the other machine. Just because I gotta get this spark plug bit figured out. But that's probably gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit of a sketchy scenario, but that cloud system, that was beautiful, right? I loved it. It was fantastic. So lucky for me, basically I landed, if you can see it, right out that way. Over there. Yeah, out in there. So it wasn't too terribly far away. I got kind of lucky that it was so close to the parents' house here. So I'm just gonna bip on back over there and enjoy the rest of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, peace out. See you next time. Ow!